Guys, I'm gonna try to make this kind of reminders notebook or book. This I'm gonna invent it with a recyclable materials, or you can buy it at the store. It's kind of cute. I put it to sun, and because it's summer, I put it some clouds in the sun, and then some flowers over here, and then I put it summer. Yay! Then at the I put here my reminders book, and then my name and my signature, and then what should I gonna do to 25, and then start. That's my reminders. And here at the back I put some kind of domo family, and then I put some flowers over here, and then put some sketch in it. So let's get started. To make this kind of reminders book, we're gonna need some glue, some brush, paintbrush, thin brush, or anything what you want to do, some scissors, some color pens, a pen one, it's color block, crayons, some square papers that I bought from a shop. Oh, there's a card here, and then put it on it. Some sticky notes that you put it right over like this for your reminders. And then a construction paper. You can buy it from a store or anything what you want. Or when you have stock, some and some kind of double-sided tape, or you can use tape for what you want. Okay, let's get started. So let's get started. To make that, we're gonna need a color paper, a construction paper. Let's take it in half, fold it in half. Just be sure it's folded in half, not in anything. Just tracing it, it's straight, then fold it. Okay. Then we're gonna need to cut this out. I'm gonna use some scissors to cut it. Be sure it's straight. Be careful to cut it. And then we have these two pieces. So let's take it a fold, like here. Take it a fold. Okay, and do the same thing to the other paper. So there you have it, some two pieces folded. Now we're gonna need our double-sided tape to tape it right over here. Let's have some pieces of our double-sided tape, or you can use simple tape which you want when you don't have some double-sided tape at home. Plus, oh my goodness. Okay, that's it. Then put it on in here like this one. Then take it off. Make sure the white tape sticks onto the paper then before you take off these tiny little pieces. So let's drop it to the trash can here. So now we're back in here, then fold it gently and then have it scrub to make it stick. So that's it, it's stick. You have of this one, and then do the same thing on this side. Now take it off again, do the same thing to the other one, then tack it onto the other side of the paper once again. So take it scrub to make it. Now we have our two pieces now, so let's get having it design. Let's take this design, let's take it right here.